In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Calendly Stripe integration. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. If you're looking to streamline your booking process and get paid seamlessly, connecting Calendly with Stripe is a fantastic way to do it. So let's walk through the steps together, and by the end of this video, you'll be all set up to accept payments through Calendar. First things first, you'll want to open Calendly. If you haven't already, log into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your dashboard. You should see a menu that helps you navigate through various features. Now, pay attention to the area where it says Integrations and Apps. Click on that to open it up. This section is essential because this is where all your integration options are housed, including Stripe. So go ahead and search for Stripe in the Integration search bar. Once you find it, click to initiate the connection. You'll likely be prompted to authorize the connection between Calendly and Stripe. This is an important step, as it allows the two platforms to work together and process payments. Follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to log into your Stripe account if you haven't done so already. Once the authorization is complete, you can return to your Calendly dashboard. This signifies that your Stripe account is now connected, which is great news. Now that you're back on your dashboard, it's time to set your event for payment. Look for the event you want to charge for. You can choose an existing event or create a new one. Once you've found the event, click on it to open its settings. What you're looking for now is a section called More Options. Within those options, you should see a choice that says Payments. Click on that to unfold the payment settings. In this area, you can designate how you'd like to receive payments for your bookings through Stripe. Here's where the fun begins. You'll want to choose an option that says Get Paid by Stripe. After selecting this option, you'll be required to enter an amount that you want to charge for the service or event you're offering. This could be a flat fee, a suggested donation, or any other amount that fits your needs. After entering the amount, don't forget to save your changes. This is a crucial step. If you neglect to hit the Save button, your changes won't be applied, and you could miss out on payments from your clients. And just like that, you're all set. You have successfully integrated Stripe with Calendly, and you're prepared to accept payments. It really is that simple. If you encounter any issues along the way, make sure to check your internet connection or try refreshing your browser. Sometimes, technical difficulties can pop up, but don't let that discourage you. There are tons of resources available on both Calendly and Stripe's help centers if you need further guidance. So to recap, we opened Calendly, logged in, navigated to the Integrations and Apps section, connected Stripe, selected our event, opted to get paid by Stripe, entered our desired amount, and saved the changes. You're now ready to start booking appointments and receiving payments seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to start using this feature, consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more videos just like this. Thank you for tuning in, and happy